Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In today's video, I will show you how to clear cache and cookies in Microsoft Edge on Windows 11 or Windows 10. This will help you fix slow browser issues, loading problems, and many websites errors instantly. So let's get started. First, open Microsoft Edge browser on your computer. After that, click on this one triple dot menu in the top right corner that says settings and more. Alternatively, you can press Alt plus F keyboard shortcut to open this one settings in the Microsoft Edge browser. Once settings of the Edge browser opens, select privacy, search and services in the left sidebar. On the right, you will find clear browsing data. Click on this one option. Now beside clearing browsing data, now click on the choose what to clear button. Here ensure cookies and other site data as well cached images and files are selected. You can check or uncheck other options according to your choice. After that, you can select a time range from last hour to all times. After that, click on this one clear now button. That's it. Your cache and cookies are now cleared. Now your browser should feel faster and many websites issues like pages not loading or login problems should be fixed. One important thing to remember, clearing cookies will sign out you from most websites, but your saved passwords and bookmarks will not be deleted. If you want Edge to automatically clear cache every time you close it, go back to privacy, search and services. Then click on clear browsing data. After that, here you will find an option that says choose what to clear every time you close the browser. Click on this one option. Now you can enable or disable the options you want to remove or clear browsing data, and you are done. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to GearUpWindows for more useful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.